The era of the simple streaming box is officially dead. For years, the Apple TV was the quietest product in the Steve Jobs theater, a reliable, premium puck that stayed in the shadow of the iPhone. But right now, in February 2026, something has shifted. Massive leaks from the supply chain and a series of accidental code drops in tvOS 26.4 have revealed that Apple has been building a Trojan horse. This isn't just a 2026 refresh. It is Apple's final move to take over your living room, kill the mid-range gaming console, and place a hyper-intelligent AI at the center of your home. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you are currently using a smart TV's built-in apps, or if you're holding on to a 2021 or 2022 Apple TV 4K, you need to listen to every word of this. We are about to break down the Spring 2026 revolution. I have gathered every piece of data on the new A17 Pro jump, the secret N1 wireless chip that makes Wi-Fi look slow, and the truth about the Siri Remote 3 that finally solves the one problem we've all had for a decade. By the end of this video, you will know exactly why Apple is doubling the RAM, how this device will play AAA games like Grand Theft Auto, and why the Home OS leak is the most important tech story of the year. Let's start with the heart of the machine. The silicon. For the last few years, the Apple TV has been running on the A15 Bionic. It was fast, but it was safe. In February 2026, the safety goggles are coming off. The leaks confirm that the new Apple TV 4K is jumping directly to the A17 Pro, the same 3nm powerhouse that debuted in the iPhone 15 Pro. Now, why does a streaming box need a 3nm chip? It's not just for loading Netflix faster. It's for Apple Intelligence. This is the threshold. Every internal report suggests that 8 GB of RAM is now the mandatory baseline for Apple's new AI era. By putting 8 GB of RAM and the A17 Pro into this box, Apple is turning your TV into a local AI server. We aren't just talking about a smarter Siri. We are talking about contextual awareness. Imagine your TV knowing that when you sit down at 8 p.m. on a Friday, you want the lights dimmed, the soundbar set to night mode, and your favorite sports betting app ready on the sidebar, all without you saying a single word. But there's a secondary reason for this chip, the console killer strategy. With hardware-accelerated ray tracing, the Apple TV 4K 2026 is no longer a casual gaming device. We have seen reports of developers being handed Apple TV dev kits that are running native versions of Resident Evil and Assassin's Creed. If Apple can offer a $149 box that plays console-quality games, they aren't just competing with Roku. They are coming for the Xbox Series S. But wait, there is a piece of hardware inside this box that is even more important than the CPU. It's called the N1 chip. This is Apple's custom-designed wireless silicon. While the world is still catching up to Wi-Fi 6E, the Apple TV 4K 2026 is reportedly shipping with Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6.0. Why? Because of zero latency. Apple is preparing for a world where your Vision Pro headset and your Apple TV work in perfect sync. Imagine mirroring your TV screen to your headset with absolutely no lag, or using your iPhone as a secondary controller with the response time of a wired connection.